Question number 1. The Constitution of India was adopted by the option A. Governor General, B. British Parliament, C. Constituent Assembly, D. Parliament. Answer होची option C. Constituent Assembly. Question number 2. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A. Sachidananda Sinha, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. P. Upendra. Answer होची option A. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 3. The first state to become bifurcated after independence was option A. Bengal, B. Bombay, C. Punjab, D. Assam. Answer होची option B. Bombay. Question number 4. For the philosophy underlying our constitution, the historic objective resolution was moved in the Constituent Assembly on 22nd January 1947 by Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 4 answer of B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a salient feature of our constitution? Option A parliamentary form of government, B. a sovereign democratic republic, C. contains directive principles of state policy, D. a federal polity akin to the American model. Answer is option D. a federal polity akin to the American model. Question number 6. Fundamental freedoms under Article 19 are suspended during emergency caused by A. war or external aggression, B. failure of a constitutional machinery of a state, C. internal armed rebellion, D. financial crisis. Answer होची A. war or external aggression. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Option A. right to equality, B. right to strike, C. right to freedom of religion, D. right against exploitation. Answer होची option B. right to strike is not a fundamental right. Question number 8. The president can promulgate an ordinance. Option A. when the Lok Sabha has been dissolved, B. when there is a conflict between the two houses regarding a particular bill, C. when a bill passed by the Lok Sabha is not passed by the Rajya Sabha, D. when both the houses of the parliament are not in session. The answer is option D. when both the houses of the parliament are not in session. Question number 9. Who presides over the Lok Sabha if neither the speaker nor the deputy speaker is available? Option A member of the House of People appointed by the President, B. a member chosen by Council of Ministers, C. the senior most member of the Rajya Sabha, D. the senior most member of the Lok Sabha. Answer होची option D. the senior most member of the Lok Sabha. Question number 10. The quorum required to hold meeting of the legislative chambers is what fraction of the total membership of the house? Answer होची option D. 1/10. Question number 11. The union territories get representation in Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. both houses of parliament, D. none of these. Answer होची option C. both houses of parliament. Question number 12. The chairman of Rajya Sabha is elected by the members of Rajya Sabha, elected by members of both the houses of parliament, C. nominated by the Rajya Sabha. Answer होची option B. elected by members of both the houses of parliament. Question number 13. The term of Lok Sabha is normally 4 years na 5 years, 6 years na 7 years. Answer होची option B. 5 years. Question number 14. The legislative powers are vested in the President, B. Parliament, C. Prime Minister, D. Governor. Answer होची option B. Parliament. Question number 15. If the Speaker of the lower house of a state wants to resign, his letter of resignation is to be addressed to the option A President, B Governor, C Chief Minister, D Deputy Speaker. Answer is option D Deputy Speaker. Question number 16. The Governor of a state is appointed by the President on the advice of the option A Chief Minister, B Chief Justice, C Prime Minister, D Vice President. Answer is option C Prime Minister. Question number 17. The President of India can be removed from his office by the President of India can be removed from his office by the Prime Minister, B Lok Sabha, C Chief Justice of India, D Parliament. Answer is D Parliament. Question number 18. The minimum age required for becoming the Prime Minister of India is option A 25, B 30, C 40, D 35 years. Answer is A 25 years. Question number 19. The impeachment proceedings against the Vice President can be initiated option A only in Lok Sabha, B only in Rajya Sabha, C in either House of Parliament, D in neither House of Parliament. Answer is B only in Rajya Sabha. Question number 20. In whom are the powers of judicial review vested in India? Option A President, B Parliament, C all the courts, D Supreme Court and all the High Courts. Answer is D Supreme Court and all the High Courts. फ्रेंड्स जदि वीडियो पसंद आसे तेबे लाइक करंतु, वीडियोस को शेयर करंतु सांगमान सहित। जो मैंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि नाहंती दयाकरी सब्सक्राइब करंतु, नोटिफिकेशन आइकन उपरे क्लिक करंतु। धन्यवाद।